Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw the circle guard from Squid Games. So first we're going to get started with the head. So on the left hand side we're going to arch this line all the way around and then down on the right. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom by just replicating that again, bringing that around and then back up. Moving further down from the middle, we're going to curve this line around and up. And then dropping down again, leaving a small gap. Let's replicate that. Now in the middle, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down towards the bottom. In the middle on the top now, let's draw in a circle. And then moving around that again, we're going to replicate that, just leaving a gap as we come all the way around, connecting that in towards the top. Let's draw on the hood. So starting in the center, we're going to curve this line around and then out. Now from here, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the top, ending that at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to close this off with a curved line. Now we're going to move down and draw on the torso. So on the left, we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the same thing over on the right. We're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. We'll do the same thing moving up towards the top. And then following these lines down, we're just going to draw in two more straight lines that come down in towards the center. For the belt buckles, we're going to draw in two straight lines on the left. And then we're going to replicate that again on the right. Let's draw in the pocket. So we're going to draw in a square on the right hand side. Moving down in the middle, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then in the middle, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Now let's move down for the legs. In the center, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. On the inside, let's draw in our diagonal line that comes out. We'll do the same thing over on the right. In the middle, we're going to draw in two more straight lines that come up towards the top. Closing off the legs now, on the outside, we're going to bring this line out and then in. Again, one more time, out, back in. And then from the outside, we're just going to curve this line back in towards the center. Moving down again, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line that comes in towards the bottom. And then we're going to curve this line back across and over towards the inside. Now for the feet, we're going to curve this line over and down. And then closing off the bottom of the foot, just arching this line across. Now for the sole of the shoe, moving up, we're going to curve this line over. Now let's draw in our arms. So coming over towards the outside, we're going to bring this line out and then down. And then from that line, we're just going to bring in a small diagonal line that comes in on the side. Now as we move over towards the inside, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line that comes in. Stepping outside, we're going to curve this line out, back in. And then again, one more time on the inside, out, back in. Let's close this off on the bottom now with a curved line. On the inside, we're going to draw in two straight lines that come down. And then again, just closing that off on the bottom with a curved line. Now for the hands, moving down, we're going to draw in a small arch line from top to bottom. For the thumb, curving this line around and then in on the corner. For our first finger, arching this line around and then up. Moving over in the middle, replicating that. And now one last time, connecting this all the way to our wrist on the top. And that is it. That's how you draw the circle guard from Squid Games. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.